Welcome to VAL'S quick tips and trick YouTube cooking channel again and तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार दिता माझ्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर VAL'S quick tips and trick YouTube कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर आणि आता हांव तुमकां दाखयता चिकन मसाला कसो करूंक जाय पळय तो नॉर्मल चिकन करी कोंबडेची कोडी या चिकनाची कोडी so it's like normal like you can say railway type or whatever you say it's like Goan I will say because I am going to use the powder which I made chicken masala. So this is chicken Goan chicken curry at home and so now this is 2.5 kg of chicken pieces and I have washed it and I have added one small cup of water to this. I needed to add water because there was no ginger garlic paste added to this. Only I added this whole garlic pod, that was one pod of garlic to this, and salt to this, and I cook this in a pressure cooker. You can cook it in an open kadai or open chatti, whichever way, but I wanted to do it quickly, so I have cooked this all. See the oil which is come out of its own and it's nicely boiled and cooked, and now we will make the masala which is going to get added in this. Okay, so we'll keep this aside. This is cooked, if you can see this. Yeah, we will cook little bit more when we are going to cook it in a gravy. And then we see the broth also without adding much water to this. So this is 2.5 kg. Again I am repeating. I have to repeat because there are some people who wants me to repeat, some people who don't want me to repeat, but I will tell this so that you all learn it properly. Okay, we'll keep this aside. So now for 2.5 kg chicken we need around 7 onions and 3 to 4 tomatoes depending on how big it is. So these are 4 tomatoes and 7 onions. I have cut it like this because I am going to fry this. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, and this is the masala which I showed you. I will share the link again in this video. Okay, and I will add this also to that this video so that you all can do this. And I have taken 3 tomatoes and made a puree out of it. Just 3 small tomatoes, and washed it and grinded. Oil around 2 big tablespoons of oil for frying all this you need. So let's start. So we'll add this oil, and if you see I have got lots of Goan shakuti masala and curry and everything on the YouTube cooking channel. This is chicken curry. This is not shakuti, this is chicken curry. So once the oil is hot, we'll start adding all this thing. I will add this just for flavor, 2 bay leaves. And I will start adding the onions and tomatoes together. And let's fry this nicely. I will add the tomatoes also and let it get fried and soft. And then the next procedure. So we have to fry this till it becomes nicely fried all the sides. At this point we will add our ginger garlic paste. Right. And our salt to taste to this. Now to this we will add our turmeric powder 1 teaspoon and chili powder 1 teaspoon and coriander powder 1 teaspoon. So we are adding this masala to this. Now if you want more spicy, add more chili powder. This is according to how much spiciness you want. Accordingly you can add. Let this cook and we'll add our masala also to this. Homemade chicken masala. So let's mix this. Let it fry with this nicely with its own flavor. We'll add around 1 tablespoon of water to this 1 tablespoon so that masala doesn't get boiled. See this masala gravy, and now we'll add our tomato puree to this. which I had added 1 chili to that, but you don't add if you don't want chili, only tomato. So you can grind. Let this get again nicely this, and then we will add this to the chicken. So now my masala is ready. I will add this and transfer it into the chicken. I will mix chicken and this together. Okay. Now if you have a bigger vessel, it will be very easy. Right now I don't have a bigger vessel, and that's why I am transferring this to a bigger vessel. But you can do it in one big shot, big handi. So see my masala, chicken masala. Now this will get cooked in our chicken. So now I will add this to my chicken. So if you have a bigger vessel, it's easy. But sometime at home, some people don't keep bigger vessels and they have guests coming. And that time what you do? You can always do this way. New generations will not have big handis and vessel what village time we had. I have big vessels, but I wanted to show that how you can make it in a smaller this also. So now we mix this and our chicken is ready. So I will cook this for only 10 minutes till the masala goes all very nicely to this. No adding water because the chicken broth is already there. Plus see, I removed some broth out. So if it is needed, then we will add this broth too. And we mix this, garnish it with coriander, and your chicken, delicious chicken curry is ready. Cover this and we'll check the salt and everything. Check this out. Okay, everything is perfect. So another 5 minutes, slow flame till the masala all goes into our chicken and it's done. And our delicious chicken curry is ready. Hope you will all enjoy this. With chapati, pulao, anything. Thank you so much for watching this, and thank you my friends. Dev bare karo.